Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a Google Tag Manager container and copying the container ID GTMXXXXXX. Once done, install and activate a reputable GTM plugin in your WordPress dashboard. I recommend one with clear options for header and body placement. Make sure you're logged in with an administrator account so you can change themes or site-wide settings. Then open the plugin settings and paste the GTM ID into the provided field. This is the first actionable step to connect your site to GTM. Now configure the plugin to ensure GTM works correctly across your site. Select header or header plus body injection per the plugin's choices, because correct placement affects tag firing timing. Enable the data layer and preview mode so you can test tags before publishing. These options surface variables and debugging info. Also specify whether tags load site-wide or only on selected pages, and map user roles to prevent admin actions from skewing analytics. Save settings and clear any. Finally, verify your setup with GTM preview mode and a tag assistant extension. You'll see which tags fire and what variables populate. Once tests pass, publish the GTM container and then clear WordPress caching and any CDN caches so live visitors get updated code. Make sure to retest on an incognito window and different devices. If something goes wrong, check the GTM ID in the plugin, confirm header/body placement, disable caching temporarily, and inspect the browser console for blocked resources or errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.